So that's the Mumbai Heroes league stage. That's what they have done. They won 2, they lost 2 games. They tied that all-important match against Telugu Warriors. The last game against the Bulldozers, they lost by 13 runs, but they beat Bengal Tigers by 6 wickets in that all-important game, and that is why they're here at this stage in the semi-finals. Rajiv on strike. What a knock he played in the last game. 150 to his name. Swashbuckling knock, and there was no stopping Rajiv. He played some proper cricketing shots, and some of those hits were massive. He sailed into the stands.
And he just kept on going, wasn't it, Sabha? To get a 50 in a 2020 match is really good. To get 100 is exceptional. But to go and get 150 in a 2020 competition is incredible. And that's exactly what he did last weekend. Got 150. Tremendous striking then. This time Varun Badola provided some width. There was a bit of bounce.
Hits it well, but they have that area covered, so they worked out quite well. The fielding positions for Rajiv, they know he's extremely strong outside the off stump if any width is provided, so they have got that area covered. They've also got a fine leg, yes, they have a fine leg in place for anything going down the leg side, and they bowled a good line, both these pace bowlers for Mumbai Heroes, especially to Rajiv. In there, hits it very well. Very good shot from throw. He got to the pitch of that delivery, and just that it was just an extension of his arms that helped him to get that boundary.
Right in the slot, isn't it? And provided that kind of a length and groove. Just went through with the shots. Mumbai Heroes, they have picked up... oh, there's a confusion, but safely home in the end. Bit of a sloppy fielding, but recovered really well. They will have to guard themselves against complacency. And still early doors, but these two hold the key for Karnataka Bulldozers.
There was confusion. It was Dhruv who wanted to go for the extra run. No support from Rajiv. It is Varun Rao was fielding at sweeper cover. Short and wide, and called a wide by the umpire. And a fair call. The keeper is standing up, so at times it gives the impression that the ball is not so wide outside the off stump. But I thought on that occasion the umpire was correct.
Also, the keepers are smart cookies. They at that occasion he collected it beyond the line, which is a mark for the umpire to give it a wide, and got back inside. This time he goes up in the air, someone underneath it. Oh, it's just falling away from him. That was a good effort in the end, but in the bargain Rajiv collects 4 runs. That was a streaky shot.
That is another of his one of his favorite area. Rajiv, he didn't connect that one very well. Good attempt in the end. It was just going away from him, and that is how it went to the boundary. But there was an opportunity. Rajiv not very confident while playing that shot.
After 4, it's 32 for 1.
So it's a good start for Bulldozers. After having lost the wicket of Bhaskar, the first delivery, they have recovered quite well and maintained a healthy run rate so far. 8 runs at this stage. Full toss, very good effort there. It's Varun standing at short mid-wicket who made that effort. So they have improved on the field. Last game against Bengal Tiger, it was Sachin Joshi who set the trend.